Hey everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to the beach. If you're new here, by the way, welcome. Today we're going to the beach. We're going to Haleiwa Ali'i Beach Park. It's over there on the North Shore. Oh my goodness. That boy is a mess. But anyway, I have all of my beach essentials together. I have our bags packed. I have some snacks for the kids. So I have some hot dogs and some warm buns to include some fruit. And then in the cooler, I just packed some Powerades and some icicles for the kids to drink and snack on. My goal today was to barbecue. However, I convinced Anthony that we need to get out the house, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. And right now it's like 2:50. I had planned to leave the house at 2 o'clock. I really like to get to the beach a little later on in the afternoon when it's not so hot and crowded. So that's my optimum time. But we're just waiting on Anthony to get done so we can go ahead and leave. Coming outside in this part of town would actually be decent, but it's really not. One thing I hate about the island is that one part will be cloudy with an overcast. It looks like it's going to rain, and then the other part is just clear as day. But anyway, we're going to make the best out of it. Right now we're just taking everything out of the car so we can set up. Y'all have everything? We're going to put Zai in the wagon. Where's Anthony? Don't bring everything out because we're not going to stay too much longer. So just get what you need. No, bring my food. Bring my food, child. Put the board down. Put it on the sand. There you go. And lay the board flat so I can put Zai inside.
I'm scared now.
That's fun, isn't it? I know.
I just want my shoes.
There you go.
Where's your feet down?
There you go. So do not act like you've never been to the beach. Look at this child.
Put your feet down. I need some water.
Ooh. Feels different, doesn't it?
Yesterday.
What's wrong? Ooh, what's that? Wait. Wait, stop. Oh, it's a ladybug.
Oh. It's a fly.
It's a ladybug, son.
I hate when somebody says something else. Tell me what it is. Don't keep saying
It's just a ladybug.
It's the color of it, huh?
It's a cinnamon.
white-
See? Look.
White colors are the worst colors.
Just a ladybug.
White colors are the worst colors, Mom.
Now, if you ever see them up close, they're not as cute as you think. Here,
know.
take it from my hand.
No, thank you.
You don't want to? All right, let it go. All right. Good to go?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go all the way down there, close to the edge, so we can look over. And
We should really get a paddleboard.
huh?
We should really get a paddleboard.
Oh no, Mama's not paddling. Oh, that's nice. Look how the water rushes through. Look at that. Okay, I had to take a break. These rocks are getting more spaced out than I thought. I'm terrified that I'm gonna slip between one of these rocks. This is terrifying. I thought they would still be clumped together, but they're not. Oh my geez. Angel's like way ahead of me though. She got it in the bag. Maybe it's my age. It's my age? It's my age. Okay, we made it. Wow. Is he snorkeling? Of course he is. Duh, Sherelle. It's not as deep. No, you're not going in there. Not this far out. Okay. I didn't think I was gonna make it, but we're at the end now, and it's very shallow. I thought it would be a little deeper, but it's not. You want to take a picture? And you want to take a picture? found a snail?
Yeah.
Yo, Angel, where'd you find that?
On the rock.
On the rock? Which one?
Over there. There's a bunch of them over there.
Oh, probably stepped on them on the way over here. You gonna let it free? You gonna set it free? Oh, they're all on the side of the rock.
Yeah.
I
thought there were sharks out here.
I mean, there's sharks everywhere, but you just gotta be vigilant, you know?
Nope.
Girl, let's go.
Go for it.
Slow down, Angel, okay? My balance is all.
I don't have to slow down.
My legs are old. Huh?
I don't have to slow down. You just gotta speed up.
I feel like I'm gonna fall between these rocks here. That's not gonna be a good look.
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, I know. Don't do it.
Oh, he's running away from me. But there was a black fish that I saw in here. Oh, he went away. But he was there, I swear. So I'm in the water, looking at what I can find. My mom is on the rocks, holding my trash for me. The water's not that cold actually. It's pretty decent. Tony told us that we would see any sharks out here, but that ruined the fun because I don't see any, which is just a Baduki. You know, mom's being cautious right now. The beach is highly populated with a bunch of rocks. Like most beaches you go to, you do not see a lot of rocks, but this beach has a lot of rocks. My feet in the sand. You in the water? Did Daddy get you in the water? I saw some fishies out there, Tony, and I saw a crab. Is that you in the water? Yay! Say hey, Tony.
Hey.
Hey, kids. Tony got you in the water?
No.
Oh, yeah. Come on, this way.
Come on, Zai.
Come on.
We find a rock.
Get off. It's just funny on the camera.
Anthony is down that direction. He is very camera shy and drone shy. I had to convince him to fly his drone here. He's very particular about where he flies. He's always worried about what people think about him. And I had to tell him to get out of his comfort zone, because if you're always afraid, you'll never do anything in life. Trust me on that, guys. But anyway, Hawaii is one of those locations where everybody flies a drone. A lot of people want to see what Hawaii has to offer, and then I want to show my audience the same thing. So he's going out there, try it out, see if he can take off. He's the only drone operator in the house anyway, so it's not like I can do it. But hopefully he can get some good footage for you guys, because I want to see it myself. Caught a glimpse of a sea turtle and I missed it, so I tried to hurry up and rush back on this ledge over here, and now the turtle's gone. So I don't know if it's gonna surface again or he's gone, because I would love to see it. I always miss the good things. I was not willing to come back up here on this ledge, but she convinced me. So.
Mom, turtle.
Oh wow, there it is. There he is. Oh, I told you he would come back up.
Layla, I didn't get to see him.
There he goes.
There's little Timmy Tom. Mom, it went up to the water too.
Yeah, look at him. Wow. Oh.
I always wanted to ride the dolphin, but I've seen them upstairs.
Don't do it, turtle. Turtle. I'm gonna go for the octopus that's on the hook. Tell the cat to put his thing up. No. Oh, I see it. Andrew, I see the crab. Andrew, I see the crab.
But in this crack, there's 2 red dead ones.
Yeah, I remember.
Well, we are packed up and ready to go home. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure you give this a thumbs up. And if you want to be a part of the family, make sure you subscribe. And until then, y'all, I will see you all next week. Bye.